The case of *** Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited. V. Registrar of Trademarks, A 1977 Cal 413 is a significant decision by the Calcutta High Court concerning the registration of trademarks under the *** Trademarks Act, 1940, specifically addressing absolute grounds for refusal under *** Section 6, 1, which corresponds to *** Section 9, 1, of the Trademarks Act, 1999 *** in India. The case focuses on whether the word similar could be registered as a trademark for cigarettes, considering its status as a geographical name and its distinctiveness under *** Section 6, 1, C, and *** 6, 1, D, of the 1940 Act, akin to *** Section 9, 1, B, and *** 9, 1, A, of the 1999 Act. Background Appellant * Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited, a company manufacturing cigarettes, applied to register the word similar as a trademark for their cigarette brand. Trademark application **. The application sought to register similar in respect of cigarettes, claiming that the mark was distinctive and not descriptive of the goods. Refusal by registrar **. The registrar of trademarks refused the application, arguing that similar, now spelled Shimla, is a well-known geographical name, referring to a city in India, the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Under *** Section 6, 1, C, of the Trademarks Act, 1940, marks consisting of geographical names are not registrable unless they have acquired distinctiveness. Under *** Section 6, 1, D, the mark was not distinctive and had a direct reference to the character or quality of the goods, cigarettes. Appeal ** Imperial Tobacco appealed to the Calcutta High Court, contending that similar was not descriptive of cigarettes, had no direct reference to their character or quality, and had acquired distinctiveness through use. Key issues: the Calcutta High Court addressed the following questions. 1. Is the word similar a *** geographical name under Section 6, 1, C, of the Trademarks Act, 1940, and thus barred from registration unless it has acquired distinctiveness? 2. Does similar have a *** direct reference to the character or quality of the goods, cigarettes, under Section 6, 1, D, making it ineligible for registration? 3. Has the mark, similar, acquired *** distinctiveness through use, sufficient to overcome the absolute grounds for refusal? Court's findings: the Calcutta High Court, in its judgment, held the following. 1. Geographical name under Section 6, 1, C, **. The court confirmed that similar is a well-known geographical name, referring to a prominent city in India. Under *** Section 6, 1, C, of the 1940 Act, equivalent to *** Section 9, 1, B, of the 1999 Act, marks consisting exclusively of indications that designate the geographical origin of goods are not registrable unless they have acquired distinctiveness. The court noted that geographical names are generally ineligible for trademark registration because they are descriptive and may be needed by other traders to indicate the origin of similar goods. For example, similar could be relevant if tobacco were grown in or associated with similar, though no such connection was established in this case. 2. Direct reference to character or quality under Section 6, 1, D, **. The court found that similar did not have a *** direct reference to the character or quality of cigarettes, as it was not descriptive of the product itself, unlike terms like smooth or mild for cigarettes. However, the registrar's objection under Section 6, 1, D, was primarily based on the mark's lack of distinctiveness rather than a direct descriptive connection to the goods. The court clarified that the primary issue was the mark's status as a geographical name rather than its descriptiveness. 3. Distinctiveness and acquired distinctiveness **. Under *** Section 6, 1, D, akin to *** Section 9, 1, A, of the 1999 Act, a mark must be capable of distinguishing the applicant's goods from those of others. The court assessed whether similar was inherently distinctive or had acquired distinctiveness through use. The appellant argued that similar had been used extensively for their cigarette brand since 1908, achieving significant market recognition. They provided evidence of sales, advertising, and consumer association with their brand. The court accepted that similar had acquired ** secondary meaning through long and continuous use, becoming associated with Imperial Tobacco cigarettes in the minds of consumers. This acquired distinctiveness overcame the prima facie objection to registering a geographical name. 4. Hawkins **. The court referenced the principle from In re. Joseph Crossfield and Sons Limited. Perfection case, and other precedents, which allow registration of descriptive or geographical marks if they have acquired distinctiveness through use. Unlike the Hindustan Development Corporation Limited. V. Deputy Registrar of Trademarks, A 1955 Cal 519 case, where Rasoi was refused as a descriptive and common word, the court found that similar was not descriptive of cigarettes and had gained distinctiveness, making it eligible for registration. Decision: the Calcutta High Court allowed the appeal, overturning the registrar's refusal to register similar as a trademark. The court held that while similar was a geographical name, it had acquired distinctiveness through long-term use and consumer recognition, satisfying the requirements for registration under the Trademarks Act, 1940. The court directed the registrar to proceed with the registration of the trademark, similar, for cigarettes. Relevance to Section 9(1) of the Trademarks Act, 1999. Section 9(1)(a) prohibits registration of marks devoid of distinctive character. The Imperial Tobacco case demonstrates that a mark lacking inherent distinctiveness, e.g., a geographical name like similar, can still be registered if it has acquired distinctiveness through extensive use and consumer recognition. Section 9(1)(b) prohibits marks that consist exclusively of indications designating geographical origin. The court's ruling clarifies that such marks can be registered if they have acquired a secondary meaning, distinguishing the applicant's goods from others. The case emphasizes the importance of evidence of use, e.g., sales data, advertising expenditure, and market recognition, in proving acquired distinctiveness for otherwise non-registrable marks. Key takeaways: geographical names marks like similar are prima facie non-registrable under Section 9(1)(b) as geographical indications, but they can be registered if they acquire distinctiveness through use. Acquired distinctiveness long and continuous use, supported by evidence of consumer association, can overcome absolute grounds for refusal under Section 9(1)(a) and 9(1)(b). Contrast with Hindustan Development case Unlike Hindustan Development, where Rasoi was refused as a descriptive and common word, similar was not descriptive of cigarettes and had acquired distinctiveness, making it registrable. The decision underscores the balance between protecting brand identity and ensuring that registration does not unduly restrict the use of geographical names needed by other traders. Comparison with Hindustan Development case in Hindustan Development Corporation Limited. V. Deputy Registrar of Trademarks, A 1955 Cal 519, the word Rasoi was refused registration because it was descriptive of the character of the goods, cooking oil, and a common word, lacking inherent or acquired distinctiveness. In contrast, similar, in the Imperial Tobacco case was not descriptive of cigarettes and had acquired distinctiveness through decades of use, allowing it to be registered. The key difference lies in the nature of the mark, geographical vs. descriptive, and the evidence of distinctiveness provided by the applicant. If you need further analysis, specific comparisons with other cases, or clarification on how this applies to a particular scenario, please let me know.